In early education, when people walk by our program, they often see children just playing. What you don't know is that there has been a lot of thought that has gone into that play. Our students during the 4 years in our program will learn everything from health and safety to child growth and development to how to design a curriculum. They will learn how to connect what they're doing in their child growth and development with what they're actually seeing in the classroom. Our students are responsible for designing our curriculum, our lessons. Our students learn assessment techniques and how to observe children, take that information and turn it into lessons and activities that are meaningful to each student. Placement is a wonderful opportunity that is an extension of the work that you do with children in our program. When you are a junior, you have the opportunity to go out to different placement sites in the town of Franklin. So it gives you the ability to see lots of different early education or even elementary education programs. Very highly qualified juniors coming out of the early education program and seniors have the opportunity to do co-op. Our students have gone to multiple centers in and around our area or your hometown areas. Students predominantly work in child care programs and centers, and this is a great beginning because that's where you see all the foundation skills for later age groups. Students can do anything from speech and occupational therapy to a traditional, what you would think teacher, preschool teacher, elementary teacher, high school teacher, social work. Students coming from the early education program have the opportunity to take advantage of articulation agreements with many community colleges and four-year colleges and universities. That allows you to get up to 6 college credits from the time that you've spent here at Tri-County. There's so many opportunities that we provide the foundation for. And if you think about it, early education and teaching is the beginning of almost every other career.